Xiaoyu, we're here.
Hi.
Hello.
We're finally
you're here.
So this is the famous Mackerel Scallion gayaki, right?
The main ingredient is ta-da!
Wow.
Mackerel.
Mackerel, smell it.
The bones have all been removed.
Oh, that's great. It smells very fresh. There are no fish smell at all.
I can only smell the ocean.
We buy fresh fish and process it right away when we get back. We don't use frozen fish.
So next we just put it in directly?
Yes, just mix it.
Looking at the process, I'm really curious. Where did you get the inspiration to create this dish from?
It's actually my family's own recipe. My grandma used to make it for us. After I returned to my hometown, I realized that only my family makes this snack. We catch a lot of fish locally, so every household has their own unique mother's recipe.
Oh, mother's recipe.
Yes. And then I thought I should look into the recipe and innovate it to share it with more and more people.
Very interesting.
Right.
Hey, Xiaoyu shared the recipe of her grandmother's fish cake with everyone.
With everyone.
Oh, yes. So interesting.
So next, we can start making the mackerel scallion yaki. Add some. Mix it evenly. Next, open the grill.
It looks so cute.
Yes, this is my customized grill. It is mackerel shaped.
Oh, this is nice. It's giving the snack a unique look.
It's a shape only found here. This is the batter.
This is the customized batter. I'll demonstrate first. It takes some skill. Don't press too hard, otherwise the batter won't shape properly. You can pour along the very side and press slowly. Okay. Press lightly.
Okay, no problem. Press lightly. Oh, it's really sensitive.
You succeeded on the first try.
Right.
Oh, there is also mackerel in Brazil. What's surprising is the mackerel here, it smells very fresh. In mackerel in Brazil smell rather fishy.
Oh, fishy.
Yeah, another surprise is she mixed fish and pork together.
Yeah. I'm curious about the taste. I think the scallion can remove the fishy smell effectively. Is it done?
Yes.
Let's try it.
Okay.
I'm a little hungry.
Not yet.
Why?
Isn't it done?
We need to go to a secret spot first. It'll taste even better here.
Through creativity, the tastiness of mackerel is shared with more people. But I'm curious, where are we going to? I heard the snacks taste different there.
Stay at attention, our benevolent world. 宣天上帝，光圣帝君，三光大帝 and the deities. The TV crew is here to experience the beauty of nature. Over the past year, our community has been promoting environment protection.
Takangu community is a small fishing village next to coastal dunes in the eastern Pacific region. Most residents make a living with offshore fishing and beach scene fishing. Climate change led to the decline of the village. However, through the efforts of the residents of all ages, it has transformed into a new coastal wonderland. Coach Dazu, how long does it take to build a boat like this?
It depends on the method. This boat is made of plywood. It takes about 2 working weeks to build.
Oh, awesome! And what is the source of the river that we're rowing on?
The official name of this river is Harbor Storm Drain. Harbor Storm Drain is a semi-inland river.
Oh, so there is fresh water and seawater in it. So there are many kinds of fish here?
Yes, many species of freshwater and saltwater fish. So sometimes there are many anglers here.
Cool. And it's so comfy, isn't it?
Yes, very relaxing. Xiaoyu, why do you want to bring the snack here and eat it in the canoe?
Well, I once went canoeing with Coach Dazhu here. Oh, and I thought it would be a great experience to admire the beautiful scenery while enjoying the tasty snack in the canoe.
Cheers!
Cheers! It's so beautiful.
So upscale.
Well, drinks to watch the sunrise with. It's called Ocean Sunrise.
Ocean sunrise.
Those are kumquats.
The taste of kumquats, it's
Oh,
so
it's so
smooth. Sweet and fragrant.
Very cool, right?
So cool, so comfy.
It beat the summer heat.
True.
Oh, the drink is tasty, but I'm still very hungry.
Come.
We made it ourselves.
The snacks are here.
Finally.
Dig in.
This is for you, Tatsu.
Thanks.
Thanks. And this is mine. Wow, looks like a fish just got here. So cute. Allow me to take a bite first. Oh, take a big bite.
Does it taste good? My turn.
Take
The
a
skin
bite.
smells delicious.
Yep.
Wow, so tasty.
Rowing on the river while eating mackerel scallion yaki is such a unique experience. Tatsu really loves his hometown, so he often holds activities to invite people to clean the river. He hopes to introduce Takangu to more people through environmental protection activities and to attract more people to learn about this cute little fishing village. Many people have heard or bathed in the cold spring of Suao, but few know its history. Suao has the only cold spring in Taiwan and is one of the only 2 cold springs in the whole world besides Italy. Today, we are not only going to bathe in the cold spring in a new way, but also explore its secrets.
Uyan, it's really hot today. Speaking of hot weather, what do people think of when they visit Suao?
Suao, it's scorching hot. But it has something very, very special, which is the cold spring.
I heard they're very famous.
So we are here today to learn about them. Let's welcome Manager Xu.
Hello.
The baths here are newly built, right?
Yes, we just opened this year.
It's so beautiful here.
Very beautiful.
Cold springs are very rare, even for foreigners. Brazil only has the warm water ones, like the average hot springs, right? We don't usually hear the cold springs.
Hot springs are more well known.
Yes, there are only 2 real cold springs in the world.
Only 2.
One is in Rome, Italy.
And one is in
Suao.
Suao in Taiwan.
The only cold spring in Asia.
Amazing. The only difference between our cold spring and the cold spring in Italy is ours contains carbon dioxide bubbles while theirs do not.
Bubbles!
Like soda? Bubbling?
And what is the source of the bubble?
There's a layer of metamorphic limestone underground. Limestone layer, when it's squeezed by other rock layers, it produces carbon dioxide. When bathing in the cold spring, you will be surrounded by bubbles.
Oh, that's so special. Have you ever tried it?
It's like bathing in soda.
The cold spring in Suao is formed by the groundwater nourished by abundant rainfall and carbon dioxide released by the thick limestone layers after being exposed to high temperatures. Together, the factors create this unique natural marvel. Now let's go experience the cold spring.
Jump in.
Okay.
It's so cold.
Wow, it was quite cold when I dipped into the spring. I was a little shocked. It was very chilly. Before I dipped into the water, I was like sweating. And within 3 minutes, because of blood circulation, I stopped sweating and my skin became quite smooth. Also, the surrounding environment, it's very beautiful. I heard there is a Xixinling trail here. I like walking the forest very much, so I think I'll take my family here next time and to take a walk and enjoy the nature. And bathing in the cold spring. How enjoyable it will be! The spring cleanses the body and the insides. It's as magical as an elixir. These are lines written by the poet Cai Qingfu, describing the beauty of the cold spring of Suao. Speaking of protecting the fishermen of Suao, what comes to people's mind first is definitely the sea goddess Mazu.